This is Silicon Valley Tom coming at you from my place in Palo Alto, California. Today I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to use toilet paper, how to fold it. This is a method I like. It works for me. I don't know if you could see it, but I have 3 squares of toilet paper. So there's 1, 2, and 3. It doesn't have to be perfect, but so then what I do here is I take them and I have it like this. And I'm going to fold it one time like this. So I'm ready to use it like this. After I use it like this, I could strategically fold it in, use it again, and then use it again from this side. There's other ways. Let's see if we can do it with just 2 pieces. I'm going to go ahead and cut this piece off. And I have 2 pieces. So one way to do it might be just use it like this. It's thin, but you're going to have to be careful. And then this is going to be the major mess here. So then you're going to fold it in again. Use it like this. And then fold it in again. So anyways, you can be creative. This takes some practice. Another way might be to as it's folded in half, to go ahead and use it this way, quadrupled up. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 layers, and use it like that, and then fold it in and use it like this. So this will be dirty, and then at this point you can even go like this. These are different methods we could use. I know this is a sensitive topic at this point in time, but yeah, I'm just trying to do something during this coronavirus that possibly might help. So like I say, we have that would be, I guess I'll call that the 2 square method. Put that in the center so we could see that. Even for more desperate times, we could use the 1 square method, which, not sure, but I guess if you're slow and gentle, it might work as well. That's 1 square of toilet paper, and we'll go ahead and fold it in, and so there you go. You can even carefully open it up and maybe even fold it in again and use the other sides. I don't know. This takes practice, and a lot of times these are things we don't consider. But I remember, going to Mexico City so many times and paying to go into the bathrooms, and they'll give you a few squares of toilet paper. Maybe even that's not what you're going in for, but I mean, or even in the garment district in downtown LA, I've seen where you had to pay to go into bathrooms, and they'll automatically give you some toilet paper. So there you got it. I got some images that I'm probably showing before and after this little clip of video. So that's Silicon Valley Tom coming at you from Silicon Valley. Today is March 20, 2020, and we're in, I guess, maybe the middle of the coronavirus epidemic, or I don't know if we're in the middle of it or it's starting. But just keep the faith and sit down and pray, and pray with your family, and we're gonna get over this thing one way or another. And so that's just a little clip I thought I'd make and show you. So that's Silicon Valley Tom. See you next time. God bless you. Over and out.